Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2018 Jaguar F-Type. This is finished in Caldera red, and this is powered by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 296 horsepower. Got an 8-speed automatic gearbox tucked behind there. Single exit chrome tip exhaust. Active rear spoiler. Backup camera. And gloss black 18-inch wheels. LED headlights. And starting up here at the driver front wheel, as you can see, great shape, no curb rash and no scratches. Brand new tires were just installed in service. No dents or dings down the driver's side body lines. And back here at the driver rear wheel, there's one tiny little spot right there on the spoke. And maybe a few others right there, very, very minor. And back here at the passenger rear wheel, really good shape. Again, a few little minor spots there, one on the lip, and then some discoloration there on the spoke. Actually, that might just be chipping of the powder coat. Passenger side body lines look nice and clean. Don't mind the water, it's just from the air conditioning. And finally up here at the passenger front wheel, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. Maybe just a little one right there. Just a few little minor ones. And the interior is in ebony, leather, and Alcantara. Meridian premium sound, driver memory settings, black convertible soft top, also have passenger memory settings. This is equipped with the Climate Package 1, so you have the heated steering wheel, heated windshield, heated seats, and dual zone climate control. It's your multi-function steering wheel. And current mileage 20,021. Other options include auto dimming door mirrors, auto high beam assist, keyless entry, blind spot monitor, and car care kit. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, give us a call here, 614-793-1050. More photos of this vehicle will be on our website. You can check those out at autoassets.com.